Fucking film me right now.
Is it heads?
Oh, I'll hold him here, dude. He's standing up. Wait. Get the camera. Get that shit on video.
It's already on video. Go. Don't worry about it. I got it. Go.
That's true.
Go. Just go. No, Jody, get out of the Okay, those can't get damaged.
You know what? The more,
Get out of the way.
let me tell you, the more pain he's in, the longer he'll last.
Yeah.
Oh, kick away. Jody, move.
Because I had some chick riding me one time and it bent like the wrong way and it hurt real bad. And then I was able to laugh for like 20 minutes after that. It was crazy.
Fucking give us after, dude. Let's do this time real quick. Tuck him in, man.
Hey!
Tense it up, dude.
Tuck him in.
Tense it up.
Drink first.
Tense it up, dude.
No drink.
What would your mother say? She wants
That's right, Lucas.
Drink first.
Squeeze your butt cheeks together, dude.
This is still going on YouTube.
Squeeze your butt
All I know is that. Fuck yeah.
The way
Hey, we'll put it to the animal I have become from 3 Days Grace.
Oh!
On YouTube, that's what we'll put it to.
CJ, that's what we're back.
As long as I can get back up, right?
If you can get back up right away, you're allowed to kick him in the nuts again.
Yes.
Hey, here's somebody gets out of the way.
As opposed to your turn.
So how did this come about anyway? Just go, just do it!
Going for a beer. This is for orange beer.
This is so awesome.
Ready? Let us know when you're ready so he can start partying.
It's been recording. Kick off!
Do it, Doug!
Are you ready?
You're gonna kick him in the nuts, do it, dude! I got the camera, perfect, just go! Ready, I'm go! Tommy, get out of the picture! Tommy!
Be like fucking, that dude had the
Hey,
fucking brand
we're still friends after this, no matter what happens, fool.
Give him a
Just
fist
watch
slap,
out
dude.
for his reflex.
That's such a boy. Yeah. I don't know, dude. I just gotta think about kicking a guy in the nuts.
Come on!
Just go!
Don't
Go!
If you don't know, you're gonna be able.
Don't
Only
think!
this guy's a brown vagina. What's up with the fucking blocked it?
Oh, wait, what's up with that?
You blocked that shit.
No, what's up? No, you weren't supposed to hold him up.
No.
That
I catch him if he falls.
No, you're supposed to let him fall. If he gets up, you can kick him again. That's what you're supposed to do. Those are the rules.
Wait, you fucked it up. You get kicked in the balls now.
You helped him out.
Did I hit you in the nuts and all?
Yeah!
Man, you didn't learn the rules of Rochambeau, dude. Come on.
You didn't get any knee, dude. You didn't get any.
I think you hit him
You
in the
got a whole
gut.
lot of right here and some nut, dude.
Listen, we don't flank and check the instant replay. You were recording it, right?
Yeah. Let's see, did it really hit the nuts or not?
I say it tanked the balls.
Miguel, I don't want to push anything and delete it.
That was